Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting software, which is Hubdoc and NetSuite. So to get started with the in-depth head-to-head comparison review about these two accounting software, help you decide which of these accounting software would be a better option for you in 2025. So to get started, in 2025, NetSuite stands out as a powerful all-in-one ERP and accounting platform designed for mid-sized to large businesses. It offers a comprehensive tools including the financial reporting, real-time analytics, inventory management, and global tax compliances, all under one unified system. It's built to scale, making it ideal for business with complex need or plan to grow. Hubdoc, on the other hand, is a document and data capture tools that extract financial information from bills, receipts, and bank statement. It works best when paired with accounting platforms like QuickBooks or Xero to automate bookkeeping and reduce manual entry. Furthermore, these two tools serve very different purposes. Hubdoc is not an accounting system, it's a time-saving hat-on. NetSuite, meanwhile, is a full-blown accounting and business operation platform. So here's the very conclusion in this aspect. So you can choose NetSuite if you need a complete scalable financial system, and use Hubdoc only if you are already using another accounting platform and you want to streamline your document collection and data entry process. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.